Whoa, whoa, whoa! What's good, JK Adventure fans? Good morning! Today is gonna be good because I am on vacation. I am so happy that I get to relax. But we have a couple storms coming through. I don't know why or when, but it's a little annoying. But that's fine. Got my day started off good. Took the Christmas decorations to my parents' house, hung out there, had some breakfast. Then we had lunch, not back to back. We took some time to digest the first meal. Now I'm on my way home to go get my little guy, and we're gonna go to the dog park. It looks like it might rain, so hopefully we can beat the rain. Should be fun. He's gonna love it too. So stay tuned for that, guys. Look at the guy. He's so zoomed in. Got the doggy on my way to the park, and we might have a special guest, so I don't know. We'll see. Stay tuned, folks. Stay tuned. Made it to the park. Oh, he got distracted. All the smells. You like the smells here? Sit. Yes. Bring it back! I don't know why he's not bringing it back. Must be special today. He's not used to us hanging out on a Wednesday, I guess. He's like, Dad, you're playing with me way too early today. Oh, is he pooping? No. He's just smelling the dandelions and peeing on them. Here's our special guest. He's playing with Blue. He's the one who gave us Blue. Now Blue wants to play fetch because Evan's here. Woo! Evan, the dog handler.
Yep. Nope. No.
What he's trying to do, guys, is balance the ball on his nose. Can he do it? Definitely not. It's green today. I have a green one on.
Hi guys, I haven't been in the vlog at all today, I think. Unfortunately, I'm not on vacation like Kirk, so
Haters gonna hate.
I had to work all day. It was a long day. I went shopping after work and then finally got home, settled down, had dinner, and that's pretty much it.
So
Not
that's
much.
gonna wrap up today. Today was a short and sweet day. We'll probably combine it with other days like we've been doing, but
Yeah.
that's it. So stay tuned.
Bye guys.
Good morning, JK. It's just a relaxing day for me on my vacation. Throat is a little raspy. I need water, but as you've seen, someone's sleeping. I can't move. But enjoy the show. Hello, JK fans. This isn't a JK if you're a Jeeper. It's a YJ, but look at my little helper. I had to do some mechanical work on the Jeep today, meaning the seat gets stuck in the forward position when short people drive. So it actually was an easy fix this time. Last time I had to take off the rails and everything. This time I just kind of forced it back, I guess. But old raggedy Jeep needs a lot of work, but I love it. And hopefully when I get the funds for it, I'll take care of it. But that's just the update for today and what I'm doing. But later should be more fun because we're going to the park with this guy. The reason for the update is because maintenance came over unannounced to fix my AC because apparently the AC is broken. And it's been broken the whole time we've been living here, and they've done nothing for it. So they just keep going upstairs, vacuuming out the water, and try and ghetto rig it, but it is what it is. That's my dog.
You hit the corner low.
Running away from these beasts.
Come here. I don't know why he has his hairs up like that.
Look, he got scared from a sneeze. And he's tired. And now he's not tired anymore.
Hey, baby.
It's romance in the air. What is up, JK Adventure fans? We are in what I would like to call dog hell. These animals are wild action 24/7. You might see something go down. Look at Juanita going to Mr. Blue. Blue's around 2 other dogs, all smelling each other's private areas. Hopefully they behave. Let's get in on the action. There's Juanita squeaking the toy, getting the attention of every single dog here. See, look at them all coming to her. She's like a dog whisperer. And look at our dog, not even paying attention. What a gem. Smelling that lady's shoes. What a weirdo. I'll get back in when the action starts getting live. So guys, we found this nice little bench at the park all the way in the corner overlooking the ocean. Just kidding, this is Okehilly Park. Our guy got tired finally, look at him. Meh. He's being such a good boy, but man, first experience at an actual dog park for me. Juanita went to one, but there was like only one other dog. Yeah. Normally the park I go to, there's no dogs there, except Blue.
Mm-hmm. Definitely a new experience.
New experience, definitely interesting.
Keeps on trying to pee on me, and I don't know why.
Yeah, if you guys know why my dog wants to pee on Juanita, let me know. I think it's he marking his territory.
Why hasn't he marked you?
He hates me. There he comes, looking like a little guy. Hi. When Animals Attack, Volume 14. Revenge of the Frenchies. Holy cow, guys! There's a wild Frenchie! Peeing! He's peeing! Now he's under, oh my goodness, he's attacking! Someone get this flat-faced doggy away from me. He's gonna attack Blue.
Blue is so fast.
So to enjoy this day, Blue's pooping on concrete, and it's a wet one. Juanita's gonna pick it up. I might pick it up. It depends. Let me wipe the screen. But we're downtown Delray again, guys. Look at how beautiful the tree is, and they're doing capoeira over there. I don't know if I said it right, but it's a Brazilian martial arts / dance, and your boy's definitely gonna join. Just kidding, they'll probably never want me to be part of their crew ever again. But it's gonna be cool, and we're gonna watch it for a little bit. But yeah, after the dog park, this is where we came. We're hanging out, enjoying it, just walking Blue. Just enjoying our Thursday.
I feel like I haven't been on the vlog much these days, but I've been working. Kirk's on vacation.
Juanita felt like she hasn't been on the vlog much these days, but you guys remember that episode where she said Friday like 15,000 times? That was her vlog right there. Today, it's my vlog, and we're gonna watch these guys do capoeira. Because this is so cool. You want to tell the people?
So guys, we came to this
It's called Farmhouse.
restaurant on Delray. It's called Farmhouse.
Farmhouse
To grab-
Kitchen.
Farmhouse what?
It's okay.
To grab some beers, just a few, because we gotta drive, and then
Just a few.
a little snack.
Support your local breweries. Funky Buddha is local. Winwood's local. Not Winwood, but yeah, it's Winwood. Winwood local brewery. Sorry guys, we're stuttering our
But yeah, overall it's been a really good day at work.
She had a good day at work, and if you guys haven't noticed, her lips look a little shiny. Like my hiney. Sus.
Anyways, we I like this. This is like me and Kirk vibes.
Me
You
and
guys
Kirk
don't
vibes.
know what we like. This is what we like to do.
Like to go out, enjoy new places,
Bring our dog with us.
bring our puppy. Look at all these people.
No.
There's no COVID here. And look at the little Pomsky. Look at little Pomsky. Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. And then you got Boogies. Hi. He wants to play. But we're gonna sign out for now, and then we'll catch you guys later.
Look at my boys. He got boogies on him.
He doesn't want to go down.
No.
But we got a fire meal.
Yeah, we got like a little flatbread pizza.
It's healthy. Asparagus mushroom flatbread.
And then you got boogies. Blue! Boogies! Boogies, can you get the camera kissies? Give me a kiss. Okay, boobs.
Yep, I'm stuck now. There's no going back.